Welcome to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of the universe and our place within it. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of the celestial ballet that's been unfolding for billions of years. Tonight, we find ourselves at a particularly intriguing moment in this dance, as the moon has reached its new moon phase. Imagine, if you will, a great cosmic pendulum swinging between light and darkness, visibility and invisibility. The moon, our faithful companion in the sky, is now positioned between the Earth and the Sun, rendering it invisible to our eyes. This phenomenon occurs when the moon's orbital path takes it to its closest point to the Sun, making it too small to fully cover the Sun's radiant disk. As we stand on this terrestrial stage, bathed in the darkness of the new moon, we're treated to a rare and awe-inspiring spectacle, an annular solar eclipse. Although visible only from Antarctica and parts of South Africa, this event serves as a poignant reminder of our planet's delicate position within the solar system. The lunar cycle, a mesmerizing 29.5-day waltz, weaves together 8 distinct phases, each one a testament to the moon's gradual transformation in the sky. From the new moon's invisible silhouette to the full moon's resplendent glow, this cyclical journey is a powerful symbol of the dynamic interplay between light, shadow, and our perception of the universe. As we pause to appreciate the beauty of this celestial rhythm, let us not forget that we're part of a much larger cosmic narrative. The moon's phases serve as a poignant reminder of our connection to the vast expanse of space and time, a universe that's been unfolding for billions of years. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the latest advancements in science and technology. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded that the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey and one that requires us to push beyond the boundaries of what's thought possible. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating story that highlights the challenges of developing artificial intelligence that can interact effectively with humans. You see, AI has made tremendous progress in recent years, but when it comes to real-world applications, particularly in fields like medicine, there are still significant hurdles to overcome. Imagine being able to consult with a doctor online, using a chatbot that can provide personalized advice and treatment recommendations. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, the reality is that AI-powered chatbots are already being used in various forms of healthcare, but as a recent study has shown, they're not quite ready for prime time. The study, conducted by researchers at Harvard Medical School, found that state-of-the-art language models, like those used in chatbots, can be easily confused or misled by the way people describe their symptoms. In some cases, this can lead to incorrect diagnoses or even life-threatening advice. It's a sobering reminder that AI is only as good as the data it's trained on and the way it interacts with humans. Now, you might wonder why this is such a big deal. After all, chatbots are just machines, right? But the truth is, AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, making it more accessible, efficient, and effective. However, as we've seen, there are still significant challenges to overcome before we can trust these systems with our lives. As we continue to explore the frontiers of AI research, it's essential that we prioritize transparency, accountability, and safety. We need to ensure that these systems are designed with human values in mind and that they're rigorously tested and validated before being deployed in real-world settings. The implications of this study go far beyond healthcare, though. They highlight the importance of considering the human factor in AI development, recognizing that machines are only as good as their ability to understand and interact with humans. As we look up at the stars, we're reminded that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. But it's also a reminder that the greatest challenges often lie closer to home, in the complex and messy world of human interaction. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we gaze out into the vast expanse of space and time, our thoughts are drawn back to Earth, where the complexities of human history and politics continue to unfold. Today, we mark a somber anniversary, 2 years since the death in custody of Russian opposition leader Alexei Navalny. As mourners gathered in Moscow, They remembered a man who dedicated his life to challenging the status quo, to fighting for transparency and accountability in a system often shrouded in secrecy. The cosmos, with its billions of stars and galaxies, reminds us of the infinite possibilities that lie before us. Yet, on our own planet, we are still grappling with the basics of human rights, freedom, and justice. Navalny's death, at the age of 47, under circumstances that many believe were politically motivated, serves as a stark reminder of the risks taken by those who dare to challenge the powerful. As we reflect on Navalny's legacy, we are compelled to consider the broader tapestry of human history, where figures like him have consistently emerged, pushing against the boundaries of what is deemed acceptable by those in power. From the cosmos, we learn about the cyclical nature of time, how events repeat themselves in patterns that transcend centuries. The struggle for freedom, for the right to dissent, is one such cycle, a testament to humanity's enduring spirit. In the face of oppression, whether it be political, social, or economic, individuals like Navalny stand out as beacons of hope, their courage inspiring others to follow in their footsteps. As we navigate our own place within the universe, we are reminded that our actions, our choices, have consequences that ripple out into the cosmos. The death of Alexei Navalny, and the manner in which he died, raises profound questions about responsibility, about accountability, and about the human cost of political ambition. It challenges us to think critically about the systems of power that govern our lives, to question the narratives that are presented to us, and to seek truth, no matter how elusive it may seem. As we close this episode of Star Chat, we are left with more questions than answers. We ponder the what-ifs of history, the paths not taken, and the potential that lies unrealized. Yet, even in the face of uncertainty, we find solace in the cosmos, in its vastness and its mysteries. For in looking up at the stars, we are reminded of our own potential, our capacity to strive for greatness, to challenge the status quo, and to never stop wondering. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.